All right. This video is going to show you how to correctly save your G-code program. All right, so I'm going to open up a prior G-code program. Here you will have your prior numbers in here, and I just did Hayden's as an example, but on yours it'll say student name. All right, so first thing you need to do is you need to get this number. All right, and you're going to go into my Excel spreadsheet file or the list that's posted in Canvas. All right, so this is the list that'll be posted in Canvas. All right, so first thing you need the program number. So I'm just going to copy this. Then I will paste it here, and then put your name in here. So again, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to use Hayden's as an example. So I'll copy this guy, put it in there. All right, then you're going to go up to File, Save G-code as, and then you got to save it in a specific location. You got to save it in this Y drive. Now, if your Y drive is not coming up, I'll show you how to make sure that or to get that Y drive to come up. All right, on your desktop, on the desktop should be this where it says Map Y drive. So you double click on that, and you won't see anything happen, but it just maps that Y drive. So back to the G code. So right here, so again, File, Save G code as, and again, if that CNC drive didn't show up here, it should be here now. So under File Name, you will put the O1001. That will be the program number. That program number should match right here. This is the same number. That's the same number. And then it should be in the CNC Y drive. So then you click Save. All right, get out of the program or get out of FlashCut. Come down to your Windows Explorer, and then go File Explorer. And then you should see this CNC Y drive. So you double click on that. Now there is the file. If it's not showing up, just click on Date Modified, and the latest one that you created should show up there. So I'm going to right click on here and rename. I have to get rid of the file extension and then hit Enter and say yes. Now this is in this Y drive, but I need to put it in one more location to verify it offline. So I'm going to right click on here. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go into the G drive, the student G drive right here. Double click in Apps. Scroll down to CNC Sim. Scroll up to CNC Sim. Double click in Parts. So you have all this student, Apps, CNC Sim, and then Parts. And then right click and paste. So now that this program number is there. Then on your desktop, you double click on CNC Sim, and you should see this application open. Now, this is an old DOS-based program. This is the controller that runs our machine out there. So from here, your mouse will not work. So I'm clicking on this, mouse won't work. You have to use your function keys. So what I want you to do is you're going to verify. So you go F7 verify, then let me escape back up. Make sure you know that. Not F7. F9 verify. F7 menu. And then you should see your program appear in there. Now I'm using the arrow keys to scroll up and scroll down. So I want to verify Hayden's. So I hit an F1 verify. All right, this is the XY plane. So I want to rotate. So we can go into F1 rotate. F4 isometric. And that basically looks pretty good there. Okay, so from here, we're going to exit out and then just do a couple more checks to make sure, again, make sure that that file appears in the Y drive. And that's it. And if you have any questions, if things aren't appearing, just raise your hand, ask Mr. Henny or myself.